Hi everybody, Nancy here with BB. She's always got her back to everybody. And Charlie's looking out the window. I have a couple more China mail today. Doesn't say who it's from, so this will be a surprise. It's not in a tube, so I'm assuming it's one of my lesser expensive purchases. That's rolled up pretty nice. Oh, nice tools. I got a grippy pen with a 3-tip, a white tray. Let's open this up. If I can get my hand to cooperate. Doesn't always like to. I got a nice grippy pen. And a tray. Oh, and an attachment. See? So I can place multiples. Tweezers. A white tray with a spout. Add to my tray collection. And a big pink, well, it's not pink, it's purple. A 2-piece purple wax. Makes me think this is a square. It's not. It's a round. I can see from here it's a round. Usually you get the tweezers with the squares. There's 35 colors, and it is one that I got no, this is AliExpress. I think I got this one. It's roses. Long and thin. So, let's open it up. I see it's wrapped around a foam core, which is always nice. Excuse me, little hiccup. I get the hiccups, this is totally off topic, but I get the hiccups pretty much every day since I had my stroke. And it's one of those funny things that you don't realize until you have one and talk to other people, and everybody says, oh, me too, me too. Some people say it's a sign of a stroke, but in my case, it's a sign of having a stroke. Something about the diaphragm and it being bothered by the... Boy, I'm having trouble talking and cutting at the same time. This is basically your diaphragm is annoyed by the paralysis of the stroke, and that's what causes the hiccups. It's just kind of funny, you know, getting the hiccups every single day. They're like my friends at this point. Okay, let's open her up. There's that lovely tube. I really like that when they wrap it around the tube, but the tube is never quite long enough, so the edges get all crinkled like these are, but they'll come right out. This is from Huacan on AliExpress, and I will link to it in the comments for you. Put a picture up. Look at that tiny little strip. I'm not a huge fan of their symbols. Huacan uses funny symbols instead of letters and numbers. But it's all right. You'll see, I'm really not bothered by much of anything. And it really annoys people who are bothered by those things. Got into a little discussion on a Facebook group because people are so annoyed by the China mail. You know, I've dealt with China mail for years and years before I ever did this. It is what it is. Don't let it bother you. If your stuff doesn't come, then you file a claim. That's all. If there's a problem with it, then you file a claim. That's all. Don't sit and worry about, oh, it's late. Yeah, it's gonna be late. Go have a cup of coffee and relax. I just can't be bothered by these things. Okay, that's 2 strips done. You can already see how it's uncurling. The canvases with the clear plastic, this trick doesn't work on them. Maybe that's why people don't like it. You can't cut it off in nice even little strips. I don't mind it. I just peel it back and work on it. Put it back down. There we go. Very nice. Huacan gives you a really nice grid with the numbers. Like it says 1 through 35. The color, the symbol, the DMC number, and how many you're supposed to be. And it's all on the canvas, so you don't have to go look it up. They don't give you an inventory sheet. I have quite a load of trash gathering here. Why can't I open this? So it's all folded up and I can't find the end. It's like having that roll of tape that you tape down the end and then you can't find it the next time. There we go. I found it. Yay. So I guess for this one, I will count off the numbers. Wow. On these, they put the number and then the DMC number, like 1 through 35, and then the DMC number, and then the number, the quantity you're supposed to have. Low battery warning. I can't find number 1. Found number 2. Oh, there's number 1. And I can see right away it has 2 imposters in the bag. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Reminded me, I gotta go buy more Ziplocs. This is a lot of little bags. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. This is like 3 big bags and 32 little tiny bags. Okay, let's put all the tools away. Very pretty. I like the long and thin. I think that looks nice. Again, I'll put a picture up for you so you can take a look at it. That's all. Be another video real soon because I have another one here to do. Take care. Bye-bye.